morning, y'all. We're getting up, getting around, trying to get the blood flowing to get the day started. I'd show you the pumps, but it's too dark in the truck. We got this truck that
he knows
is next to us.
Somebody parked back behind him.
And I'm not real sure
I don't know what he's going to do if he ain't got it up front.
Kind of one of them yikes moments. Because there's this trailer. And there's this truck.
Don't get me wrong, he's got enough room to do it as long as he does it right.
It's just people parked where they shouldn't have parked. Like right there. Right over there they parked. On the other side of the driveway, getting out of the damn driveway, they parked. He's being like super careful. Oh, he's got a bulldog on his pup. Or on his truck. On his pup.
He got her.
It's just, see, if you can see over there. My window's grody. You can see over there, people line the driveways. I understand that parking's a problem. Are we going to jump up here? No, nope, nope, nope. That's my cup, Mr. Moochie. Ouchie. Bravo. Mooch, you're going to get in trouble. You want to look out the window before we leave? We said, what up, world? I'm awake. I don't know about TT, but I'm awake. Oh, you're gonna come give me loves this morning? You're gonna try to get up on my lap, aren't you, fat girl? That's the goal, isn't it, TT? Come on, you have upper body strength. I know you can do it. You can do it! There, now you can look out the window too. Personal space, fat girl. Or said, look, Mom, we'll share the seat today. Personal space, TT. Are you ready to do it to it?
Yeah, I'm just double checking this route and they're showing me this other road's closed.
I seen you over there. Hey, fat girl, your feet hurt on my leg. TT. Good morning, Miss TT. She said, I don't want to talk about it. I want to look out the window. One thing I have learned with bulldogs is they don't care about your personal space. Huh, TT? Which is down here. You can barely see him. Alright guys, we're about to get this day started.
Yes, we is.
As soon as I move the marshmallow off my leg. Yes, I'm ready. Love y'all. Bye.